This is SM Kausar. Once again, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to create verify Binance account. First open Play Store. Click on it. After then you search Binance. This app you will be install and download your Android device. After then type an interface open option. Click into here. When you click, you also see this feature. Sign up with Gmail or phone. Type an interface here. When you click here, you enter your Gmail number. Please enter 6-digit verify code was sent to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail, check verify code. I find my verify code. Copy this code. After then you go to copy and interface your verify code. After then you also submit a strong password. Must be letter, number and uppercase letter. After then you also click next option. Click into here. Let's go your verify account. First set your country and after then you click this option continue. Click here. After then you set your nationality Bangladesh. You choose your nationality. After then you also interpret your first name I select you. Type and interpret this option NID upload verify. Click into here. After then you press continue. Press continue. When you interpret, after then you also click this option continue option. Type and interpret here. When you type continue, after then you also see upload existing photo or take with photo. I select take with photo. Click into here. After then interface next. You will be allow. After then and select your back part and must be clean. Document upload. Thanks. Click next. Liveness check. After then you press continue. When you allow, take off your glass, hat, any item cover your face. Continue press.
Blink your eyes. Good. Shake your head. Good. Nod your head.
You see complete verify. After then close.